Hello everyone, this is Dan Hussey from ElliotWaveForecast.com, host of the live trading room webinar. I wanted to do a quick tech blog on the pound yen because this market looks like it's ready to break. Actually, it's already breaking out. And mainly I wanted to take a look at a quick comparison of the structure of a wedge. In this case, we have a inflection zone 50% line. It's what we call an extension. It's a prior high drawn from the 156.80 to highs. This level, clearly three waves down. The 166 level produced a bounce. And then inside this level, we've broken 50% shorts, and the market pulled back into what we call ambush longs. So the 168.75s held. Then actually, if you draw up any one of these levels, you can see 6-to-1-8 line. Any of these swings, 6-to-1-8 line and 50% lines were holding the whole way up. So we've built this compression of 50% longs against this resistance level, and we're just starting to finally break out of it now. You can see how in the momentum of these swings we have this diverging momentum, and this compression in momentum leads us to kind of a boiling point. And it's at these moments in time where that pressure builds on both sides of the market, stops build very tight, and then all of a sudden you're going to get a stop run. And in this case, we favor to the upside. Short-term target should take us into a 173.32 probably today. Medium term, we're looking for 173.60. And when I say medium term, I mean within a day or two. Medium term really is towards a 176 target. And then ultimately, we're looking, even higher still to about a 179.25 for the breakout of this wedge area. Okay. I want to compare now to the dollar yen, which back in November broke out of a big daily wedge, a very similar structure to what we have right now in the pound yen. If you were to compare the pound yen, I would put it somewhere around November 11th, November 12th. We're just starting to break out of that resistance zone. The difference here is that we didn't have any of those inside 50% swings. Inside this range, we didn't have any, 50% longs that were holding. Shorts weren't holding either, obviously. But this type of compression, and you get this momentum that diverges. You can't really see it here on the daily, but we did have, it's these smaller, this bright green and bright red is the diverging momentum. Let me put in some trend lines so you can actually see it. Diverging momentum there, diverging momentum here. So you get to this boiling point where finally the market says enough is enough and eventually breaks. So you see two different time frames of momentum down here. But the idea is we're somewhere right here. We're at that initial breakout. So there's still there's going to be plenty of little pullbacks and stuff to be able to get in. Probably not into a swing, unfortunately, at this time. There's lots of opportunities to get into a swing in the pound yen on any one of these dips and pullbacks, most recently towards the 171.20s. But again, we're looking now for this broken resistance to become support, just like we saw on the dollar yen, and to hold us and to take us higher. And over the next month or so, to look now for May towards a target. If you notice, the dollar yen took about, I'd say, 2 months to get to its highs. We would project probably somewhere around the same for the pound yen from this 172 area to about 180, probably about a 2-month horizon as well. So we're at that boiling point. We're starting to break out of this technical wedge and triangle, if you will, and we're looking higher now for the pound yen in the near term, and medium and long term, and general pound strength across the spectrum of the market going forward here. So hope you all can join us in the live trading room where we cover these types of technicals every single day in conjunction with the ElliotWave charts provided by EWF. Have a great day, everybody. See you guys at 11:30 a.m. Eastern to 1:30 p.m. when the live trading room is open. Have a great day, and we'll be back with you as price action develops.